Okay. Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today? Well, I'm just here with 3 students today. Today I want to teach them how to plant. In other videos, I'm going to show them how to take care of the plant. I already started teaching them how to take care of plants. But today, I want to show them how to plant. Okay, today, I have a container here. So I'm going to put pepper and tomatoes. And these are some edibles. So I'm going to be planting them as well. But most of all, I want them to start planting these pepper. So I want to show them the first step. Guys, come closer. Okay, the first step is, look at me, all right? I'm using this cutlass and I'm softening the earth. I'm softening the earth. The hole already dig, so I'm softening the earth right now. So when you're taking out the plant, you don't want to damage the root. This is the plant. This is the plant. Okay, you don't want to ever damage the root. So now you use your hand and you open up the hole and you put it down inside there and you cover it back. You cover right up to the bottom leaf. Right up to the bottom leaf. You see right there? That's how you're going to do it. You soften up this one again. And you come and you dig out the next one. Like I said, you don't want to damage the root. Pay attention, guys. This is a one way that you can feed your family. So pay attention. Watch. You soften the root, the dot. Then you come and you dig out a plant. You don't want to damage the root at all. All right, so that's 3 I plant. Now I'm gonna let you plant in these holes. So you follow my step. You do exactly what I did right here. You soften the hole. Okay. Now you take the plant out from the container. Okay, show the camera. Beautiful job, nice job. Nice job, nice job. Beautiful job. That's what I'm talking about. Put one in this hole too. That's exactly what I'm talking about. This is knowledge right here, guys. This is knowledge. Very important for the kids. No, that's a tomato. We only planted pepper here. Take that one out. Okay, I'm planting it down inside here. Beautiful job, man. Beautiful. Okay, one right over there. You plant the next one right over there. Knowledge is power, guys. You educate the kids. You got to start it from very young. You got to start it from very young. I have more for next week class. I have more people sign up and ready to get this going. So guys, please like, subscribe and share this video because I need these kids to understand people watching them and very interested in seeing them planting. So now I'm gonna let the other one come and do the same thing that I know doing. Right, to soften the root. Beautiful job, man. Beautiful. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Cover it to the last leaf, right under the last leaf. Such a wonderful job, guys. You guys doing a wonderful job. Come on, you guys doing a marvelous job. Come over the side, plant one down here. Like I said, guys, knowledge is power, and we want to teach the kids how to farm, how to plant, how to take care of the family. Please support this video, please support this class, because this is very important. Beautiful job, man. Beautiful job. Round of applause, man. These guys learning very fast. Okay, plant the next one in this hole right here. Get the cutlass, soften the root, and plant the next one right here. I mean, these guys are learning very fast, and I'm feeling so blessed because able to teach these kids how to plant make me feel happy, because these kids gonna grow up and able to teach other people how to plant and take care of the vegetables there. All right, this is wonderful. Beautiful job, man. Beautiful job. So today we're gonna just plant today. We're gonna plant today, and then I'm gonna bring them back next weekend to start taking care of the plant that they plant today. This gonna be their plant. Whatever they plant, they're responsible for them. When harvest time, they're gonna harvest, it belongs to them. Beautiful job, man. That's wonderful. All right. You gotta soften the earth first. You get this, you go over there, and you soften the earth. Then you plant. Okay, let me see how you do it. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. Nice job, nice job. Nice job. Okay, so now you go. So now you go and you get the plant. You get the plant. Now you go and you plant it inside that hole. Be careful. Let's watch. You can't watch me. You gotta watch how you want. All these things is where seeds sit. Watch. You gotta watch where you see the road. You can't just walk anywhere. Okay? Cover the hole right up to the bottom of the leaf. Okay? So you go and you get another plant, or you plant in this other hole. Beautiful job. This guy's doing a wonderful job, guys. Please like and share this video. Please like and share this video. This is a class I'm teaching here. All right? I want you guys to encourage them because I'm going to be showing them the video with all the comments. So I want you guys to encourage them that they could continue this. We have to teach the kids then how to farm, how to provide for their family. We have to do this. Okay. So you plant the next, you take that one out and you plant it in that hole. Okay guys, I really don't want to do the video too long, but today is a planting day for us, and I just want you guys to see the first day of class. So thank you guys so much, man. These guys learning very fast, and I appreciate you guys very much. Please support the video. Thank you all. We still have a lot. We still have a lot more to plan, but I know I don't want to take the video gonna be too long, so I'm gonna end it right here. Thank you guys. I appreciate you guys. Please like, subscribe, and share. Peace.